Welcome back to the Reading Corner with Mrs. G. For more great stories, subscribe here. And if you like the Berenstain Bears, we have a lot of those, including these rhymes. The Bear Scouts, the Bear Detectives, and the Berenstain Bears on the Moon. Written by Stan and Jan Berenstain. On the night before the Bears' big day, they look at the moon far, far away. Then morning comes, today is the day. They will go to the moon far, far away. The crowd counts down, the rockets blast. They wave goodbye, they are off at last. Two little bears and one little pup. They are off to the moon going up, up, up. They look back down, but they can't find their treehouse home they have left far behind. Where is their town? It is hard to say. Their town is now far, far away. Now their feet no longer touch the ground. They are out in space. They float around. Two floating bears and their floating hound. Up ahead, it's a shower. It's a meteor shower. They will have to go through. Turn on more power. Will they get to the moon? They will, they must. Their slogan is, to the moon or bust. Behind them, the earth is now so small, it is nothing more than a small blue ball. The pup begins to wonder when his paws will touch the earth again. Then up ahead, it's there, the moon. Buckle up tight, we are landing soon. Landing, they are landing in a cloud of dust. They said they would, and they said they must. They made it to the moon, and they didn't bust. Down onto the moon, they step with pride. Two bears and a pup, along for the ride. Now the bears have many things to do, but first they look around, they enjoy the view. Then they fly their flag. They take moon notes, they collect moon rocks in their moon rock totes. Then they try some jumps high in the sky. Moon jumps almost make you fly. Now it's time to get behind the wheel and explore the moon in their moonmobile. Two bears on the moon? They are all packed up, ready to go home now. So is their pup. Will their ship lift off? Will the rockets burn? Will the two little bears and their pup return? If the two little bears use all their skill, they will return. They will, they will. Two bears and their pup in their rocket ship on their way back home, on their back to Earth trip. To their friends on the ground, to their house safe and sound. Safe back on the Earth, they step out of their ship. Wow, says the bears, that was quite a trip. Now they look up at the stars very, very far away. Will they go up to a star? Well, they may someday. Only in their imagination. However, man did go to the moon first in 1969 and planted the American flag, just like the bears did with their bear flag. But this is fiction, which means it's pretend. Where in reality, in history, man did make it to the moon. Pretty amazing, amazing feat that they did. All right, so for more great stories, we'll see you next time in the Reading Corner with Mrs. G. Be sure to subscribe.